How to fix error 3002 on Discord. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open your PC and click on the search bar at the bottom left and search microphone and click on microphone privacy settings. After you're in here, click on allow apps to access your microphone and make sure it's turned on. Make sure the circle is on the right side. After you've done this, simply close the tab and open Control Panel. In Control Panel, click on Hardware and Sound. After you click on Hardware and Sound, it will open this page. Here, click on Sound. After you click on Sound in here, click on Recording at the top. After you click on Recording at the top, here select your output device, right click on it and click on Properties. After you click on Properties in here, click on Properties again. After you click on Properties again, it will open this pop-up. In here at the top, you'll find different options. Simply select Driver or Details wherever you have a speaker option. There, make sure the volume is not 0. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to fix error 3002 on Discord. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. If you got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.